morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. My name is Bex, and today we're going to be creating something very special. A little while ago, Taylor Swift went on her Eras tour, and it was phenomenal. It spanned over 2 years, and so many costumes, so many years of music, all culminating into this one big 3-hour show. It was amazing. Fortunately, a friend of mine was able to go, and they bought me this amazing sweater, which is awesome and so warm, and I love it. Now, you might be wondering, why are you talking about the Eras tour? It's been over for a while now, because today we're gonna be making the Karma jacket. What is the Karma jacket, you may ask? It's a costume piece that Taylor Swift wore at the end of the Eras tour. It was for the last song called, you guessed it, Karma. All of her backup dancers joined in with some variation of this jacket and just danced the night away to the song Karma. It was the perfect send-off to the fans, to the dancers, and the band. Everyone just had such a great time, and you could feel it. Fans that weren't there even guessed what variation of the jacket she would be wearing, whether it be the blue one, the magenta one, the light pink one, or the multicolored one, which, spoiler alert, we're gonna be making today. Disclaimer, I'm not an expert sewer. Now, what you'll need from this project are some rulers. I have 3 just in case, because sometimes they tend to get lost. Some fabric scissors for cutting fabric. A rotary cutter for the more precise lines of fabric you want to cut. Fabric chalk for when you need to measure the lines that you're going to sew on. A pin cushion. I made this nice little guy in high school. Don't worry, he's fine. The pins are supposed to be there. A collared shirt. And some fringe from Amazon. Let's get to it. The first thing you want to do is cut off the color of the shirt, because Taylor Swift doesn't need one, so why would you? Also, this pocket that you can barely see but is totally still there, you can get rid of it as well by using either a seam ripper or scissors by cutting the thread that holds it there. Now you're going to look at where you want the bottom layer of the fringe to fall. Measure vertically on the shirt every 3 to 4 inches and mark horizontally with the chalk where you want the fringe to go. Now turn the shirt over and repeat the whole process on the other side. Pinning. It's one of the most time-consuming things a sewer will ever experience. All that time pinning the material in place just to take it out and have a really cool finished product? You know what? I guess it is worth it. And now for sewing. But you might have the question, Bex, in the last segment you only pinned 1 layer. What's up with that? I like to be careful. And with me pinning 1 layer at a time, it gives me extra confidence that I will not accidentally sew some stray fringe into the shirt, and it won't catch on anything. Let's begin. Put the material under the presser foot and put the foot down and start sewing. Also, don't forget about removing the pins before the needle hits the fabric, because sometimes that can end in injury, both yours and the sewing machine's. Pinning is just as important as showing your work in math class. Sometimes you need to lay it all out to see if it works. And now, the second layer of sewing. Third line, rinse and repeat. Repetition is always key for a good garment. Or is that for studying? Trace lines with a ruler from where you left off of the body of the garment. And pin and sew like you did for the rest of the outfit. Alright, are you guys ready to see it? I'm really happy with how this turned out. Now you may be thinking, Bex, where would you wear this? Probably Halloween, costume party, or maybe even New Year's. Now, something that I did learn from this project is sometimes you need to order extra material like the fringe, just in case you mess something up or you run out of materials on the arms. Not saying I did that, but it's a possibility. But when you do have extra fabric, then you can make extra projects. You can make like a little fun dress, like take an existing dress and spruce it up a bit, called upcycling. Adding the fringe to the end of a tablecloth gives it a little fun touch. You can do so many fun things with it. And that brings us to the end of the episode. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon, and the like button. Those are out of order, but it's okay. And if you have a suggestion for what I should make next time, comment down below. See you guys next time for a more mischievous episode.